Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to set up today's budget. The app is a fun, flexible, smart calculator for daily spending. Before we start, a quick note. The app does not connect to your bank account. You don't need to enter any bank details, and there are no ads. When you open the app, it looks like this. Tap Set Up Budget to begin. First, choose your currency. Next, decide if you budget by yourself or with a partner. If you want to include your partner's income too, choose With a Partner. For this video, I'll choose By Myself. Now enter your income, the money you receive regularly. For example, let's say my take-home pay is $3,100 per month. I'll enter $3,100 and choose Monthly. If you get paid every 2 weeks, you can choose Every 2 weeks. If you don't have regular income, you can add that too. Let's say you just got paid $5,000 for a project. Enter the amount, tap One-Off Income, and choose how long you want it to last. For example, 3 or 6 months. The app spreads it across days automatically. If you're between jobs, you can also budget with your savings. Enter it as cash on hand and choose how long you want it to last. You can adjust this later. If you have more than one income source, you can add more.
We break your money into daily budgets.
When you're done, tap Next. You might wonder if you need to enter past savings. You don't have to. The app works by budgeting forward from today. Tap Next. Now add your recurring expenses, like rent or subscriptions. Let's add rent. Say it's $1,000 per month. The app doesn't subtract it all at once. Instead, it deducts a little every day, so the bill is covered when it's due. You can add more expenses too. For example, renter's insurance. $120 per year. You can add more now or later. Tap Next. Now you'll see your daily budget. This is how much you can safely spend each day. Anything you don't spend today rolls over to tomorrow. Spend less today, and you'll have more flexibility tomorrow. Tap All Set to continue. Whenever you spend money, just add it. For example, pizza, $18. You'll see today's budget update instantly.
The app only shows the next few days. That's intentional. By focusing on the short time span, you can make decisions quickly.
For bigger purchases, like groceries, you can choose Spread It Out and split the cost across several days. You don't need to enter past expenses. The app is designed for a clean start.
You can see that tomorrow you will have money again.
You can also set savings goals. Enter a target amount and a date. And the app saves a little each day. If you overspend, the background turns red. It's a clear signal to pause spending for the day. Think of the app as a smart calculator. You can experiment, undo changes, and adjust things anytime.
Now let's take a look at the savings jar. You can open it using the piggy icon on the main screen. The savings jar is designed for long-term saving, and it works alongside your day-to-day budget. To save regularly, tap Plus, select Regular Saving, and choose how much you want to set aside each month. For example, let's save $100 per month. Once it's set up, the app saves a little bit each day, so you can spend the rest of your budget guilt-free. You can track how much you're saving this month or this year and see an estimate of what you'll have saved by the end of the month or year. Tap the piggy icon again to return to today's budget. You'll notice your daily savings amount is automatically deducted from your daily budget. On the Insights page, you'll find charts that help you understand your spending, income, and savings. You can customize this page by moving charts around, hiding sections you don't need, and focusing on what matters most to you. The app also includes dark mode, which is perfect for using it in the evening. When you are done spending for the day, you have an option to save balance. Any leftover money goes straight into your savings jar instead of rolling over. And that's the basics of the app. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy budgeting!